Let's try to understand the difference between the central systems versus peer-to-peer systems. Peer-to-peer. So let us try to understand this with example. Now, what is central system? So in the central systems or the architecture, what happens is that we have got the central web server and clients connect to that. Client 1, client 2, client 3. For example, Google Drive. If you want to store the data on the Google Drive, you have to connect to the server and then save it. Or if you want to retrieve that data, you have to again connect to the Google Drive and then download your files. So each client is going to do the same thing. So you can see that everyone is trying to access the Google Drive, that is the central server. Now in peer-to-peer, what happens is that the central server is not available. So these clients or the nodes, we call it in peer-to-peer systems. These nodes communicate with each other, and all the blockchain protocols, all the BitTorrent, IPFS, that is Interplanetary File System, WebRTC, this protocol which is used to do video calling from one person to the other person, and there is no server involved in it. So all these systems, they are called as peer-to-peer systems because what happens is that there is no server. Okay, so there is peer 1, peer 2, peer 3, and they can communicate directly. So if P1 wants to connect to P2, they can directly connect with each other. Or let's say P1 want to connect to P3, they can also do the same thing like this. And you can notice that there is no central server. So that is the peer-to-peer networking or applications. And if you want to implement such systems, you can use this library. So if you are a coder, you can use this lib p2p. This is the library that you can use to develop such systems. And all the blockchains, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they are built on the top of lib p2p or a similar kind of libraries.